Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to get your bearings from this to this. This is part 2 of a 3-part series of how to clean your roller skates, so stay tuned for my next video on how to clean your wheels. Alright, so for this video you're going to need mineral spirits or acetone, some form of oil, and you'll need either a T-tool that has this attachment on it that allows you to take your bearings off your wheels, or I'll show you another method how to take your bearings off if you don't have one of these. And then you'll need either a paper clip or a flathead screwdriver in order to take the cap off of the bearings. And lastly, we're going to need a container with a lid on top of it. So for the first method, we're going to use a T-tool to pop out our bearings. Just jiggle it back and forth if it doesn't come out, and it should come out. For the second method, we're just going to use a skate truck to jiggle the wheel back and forth until the bearing comes out. And then for the other side, I'm just going to use that truck to pop out the other side of the bearing.
At the place you call here and now.
So now, taking the flathead screwdriver, I'm going in the middle of the bearing and I'm popping out that little cap. After that, you're going to take your mineral spirits or your acetone and you're just going to pour a little bit in there, enough to shake it up. I poured way too much. And then you're just going to shake it for about 20 to 30 seconds. And you'll see the dirt is about to start building up. Now you're just going to tap the excess moisture out on a towel. Now I'm just going to pat them down to get even more of the moisture that may still be in there out. I'm just going to go in with a toothbrush and start brushing the inside of the bearings. Now we're going to add 2 to 3 drops of oil so that the bearings spin smoothly. Now we're going to put those caps back on and just pop them in gently with your nails. To test that you put the caps on right, try spinning the bearing, and if it spins with no issue, then you're good. But if it's a bit sticky, then you might want to adjust the cap. And here are the final results. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me a lot. So thank you once again, and bye.